welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Lujo box for November month. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you the price for a monthly subscription. Price for a monthly subscription is 950 rupees. But don't worry, I have a coupon code by which you can save 5%. The coupon code is RITU05. Don't worry, I will be mentioning this with the buying link of Lujo box in the description box. So yes, you can check it. Now let's come back to the box and do the unboxing. So first thing is this box. It's a really beautiful, very, you can say, very like matte look box, very simple, very classy box. I love it. The quality and everything is really nice. It's very sturdy, and in middle they have written Lujo box here. So yes, I love the quality of the box. It's very sturdy, very beautiful box. Now once you open it, inside is again very beautiful. You can just see the packing is so beautifully done, which I absolutely love. So packing, full marks. Let's start with the info card. So this is the info card and it says Lujo box face care edition. So of course you can understand that it has all face care product, which is super nice. So let's start with the first one. The first one is by Seer Secrets and it's a age defining contouring mask. This is how it looks. 40 gram is the quantity. The price for this one is 612 rupees. It says it's a contouring mask which helps regenerate and revitalize your skin cells. So looks nice, and it has high mountain shilajit and fuclic acid, detox, restore and balance, it says. And yeah, looks nice. It has some really nice ingredient. It has aqua, kaolin clay, glycerine, coconut oil, then humic acid powder, seaweed, then moringa flour, silk protein, wheat protein, chia seed oil, Himalayan river mud. So yes, looks nice overall. The packing and everything is quite nice. Yes, I'm going to try this one for sure. Now moving on to the second one. The second one is a scrub. It's again from Seer Secrets, and this is a almond butter scrub. The price for this one is 693 rupees for, let me just see the quantity, 175 gram. Okay, so quantity wise, it's huge. Now it says it's a milking almond butter scrub. It will exfoliate, hydrate and moisturize your skin. And then it has ingredient. Let me just read out that for you. Almond oil, olive oil, sunflower oil, coconut, cocoa butter, shea butter, mango butter, beeswax, and then almond powder. So yes, looks nice, and scrub, yes, I think it's a useful product. Now let's move on to the third one. The third one is a multi-cleanser. It's by Seer Secrets again, and this is honey and germanium pore refining multi-cleanser. It's a face wash, and it says it has honey. So honey, raw honey will clarify your skin and keeps pores clear and clean. And this is a non-drying face wash. Okay, that's really nice. Then it says it's for dry sensitive skin. Oh god, I don't have dry skin, so I'm going to gift this to my sister because she has dry skin. And this one is the price is 387 rupees for 100 ml, and it says cleanse, prevent and protect. So looks nice, comes with this pump thing. So packing wise good, I like it. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by Seer Secrets again. This is Lightening and Brightening Age Corrective Serum. This is how it looks, and I think I have used it and I've done the review also because I liked it. Not very much, but it was a nice serum. So yes, I think this is the same serum. 648 is the price, and the quantity is 30 ml. It has pink grapefruit, ratna jot and saffron. Yes, I think I have done the review for this. Okay, and it says it has coconut oil, cold pressed argan oil, cold pressed jojoba oil. Then it has some really nice ingredient like vitamin E, lemongrass oil, essential oil, orange essential oil. So yes, looks nice, and yes, I have used it. So I think it's a nice serum. So I will definitely going to use this one. Yes, I remember I have used it. Now let's move on to the last one. The last one is a lip balm by Seer Secrets again. So in short, in this box, you have all the products from Seer Secrets. So this is the lip balm. 315 is the price for this one. And this comes with this very interesting packing here. This is the lip balm. So So 315 is the price for 8 gram of the quantity. Again, it has quite nice ingredient, I can say: beeswax, cocoa butter, sunflower oil, watermelon, turmeric extract, almond oil, ratnajot extract, vitamin E, and coconut oil. So yes, looks nice. It has, the flavor is watermelon, coconut, and turmeric. It has SPF 12, which is a really good thing, because nowadays I'm just using the lip balms which has SPF. So this has SPF and this is how it looks. So yes, that's all what I've received in my Lujo box for November month. Yes, if you ask me, I like the serum because I remember I've used it, and yes, I liked it, I guess. And all of the products are quite nice. Lip balm is nice. Then multi cleanser, which is a face wash, of course, is nice. Then the mask look really interesting, and the scrub, yes, quite useful product, I would say. So overall, a good box. I like it. If you like it, you can just go to the link, click on that, and you can buy your box. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.